There's a demand for skilled welders in a range of industries, like manufacturing, automotive maintenance and production, and aerospace. The Welding Technology program at Universal Technical Institute's Houston, Texas campus helps prepare students for entry-level careers in a growing field. The program has been developed in conjunction with Lincoln Electric to train students in multiple forms of welding and applications, including gas metal arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, flux-cored arc welding, and gas tungsten arc welding. The program is designed to develop students' welding and fabrication skills using different types of metal transfer. Students learn how to cut metal using thermal metal cutting processes, and how to develop, fabricate, and calculate the cost of projects. You can graduate from the welding program at UTI Houston in as little as 36 weeks, prepared for the industry. And with courses starting every 6 weeks, you can begin when you're ready. Click the links in our description to learn more, or visit uti.edu/Houston.